everyone, welcome back to our homeschool learning. Welcome to another online video class for the subject Math. Welcome again to Math class. This is Teacher Riva and we will be together as we learn another set of math concepts in English. Are you ready? Okay, that's great. If you are ready, let's begin. And let's begin this video with a review. Let's do a short recap of the vocabulary words that we have learned last time. First, look at your screen. If you see this symbol, what does it mean? It's an addition process. Addition. And if we see this sign, you can say plus. Plus. Okay. Next, the parts of an addition process. Look at number 1, the colored number 1. It's called Argent. Say it again. Argent. Very good. How about the orange one? The orange colored one is our Ardent. Ardent. Say it one more time, please. Very good. It's Ardent. And, of course, the colored number 2, it's our Sum. Sum. Sum is the answer when we do an addition process. Okay, that's addition, argent, addend, and sum. Now let's add some vocabulary words again. First, if you see this symbol, this means we do subtraction. Subtraction. Can you say it? Very good. And if we do subtraction, we say minus. Minus. Again, one more time. Subtraction, minus. Okay. Subtraction too has different parts. Let's say, for example, we have this. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Number 9 here is called Minuend. Minuend. Repeat after me. Say Minuend. Very good. Minuend is the number found at the first part. Okay, minuend. Next, number 7 over here. And 9 minus 7 is our subtrahend. Subtrahend. Say it. Good job. Subtrahend. Very good. And lastly, in addition, the answer is called a sum. In subtraction, the answer, or number 2 here, is called difference. Difference. Okay, say it one more time. Difference. Very good. Okay, so those are the 4 important words that you need to remember since we are going to dwell onto another topic. Of course, it's the minus sign. Now, for our topic or topics of the day, look, we are going to talk about subtracting numbers with the minuend of 10,000 or less. That means 10,000 down. And second one is subtracting numbers with the minuend or with a minuend of 100,000 or less. And these two follows a no regrouping action. Okay, let's start. Let's look at first and study subtracting numbers with a minuend of 10,000 or less. So 10,000 down, 10,000, 9,000, 8,000, 7,000 or less. Okay. There are a lot of ways in order to subtract numbers. First, let's have this. Listen. Find the remaining number after taking away. Repeat after me. Find the remaining number after taking away. Your turn. Okay, what does it mean? In this step, we are going to use a problem. Now the problem is a gift shop has 2,456 New Year cards for sale. It sells 1,324 cards during the festival. How many cards does the shop have left? So if you look at the problem, teacher highlighted the important information like gift shop. Gift shop has 2,456 New Year cards for sale and sells, meaning in Thai it's su. It sells 1,324 cards during the festival. Now let's use figures. Remember this? 1 whole cube is equal to 1,000, okay? So let's have 2,456 figures. So we have 1,000, 2,000. A flat figure is for 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The total of these figures is 2,456, and that is our number of the New Year cards that are for sale. Now the shop sold 1,324. Now let's take a look at this one. The shop sold 1,324. So it's not theirs anymore. So let's try to take away 1,324. Okay. Let's take away. The number sentence would be, let's take away 1,300. It's 100, 200, 300, 20, and 4. You can just stop there if we use figures and you count the remaining ones. So this is 1,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2. Now our number sentence would be 2,456 minus 1,324. How to work? You have to make sure that the numbers are aligned with each other. So 2,456 is our minuend and 1,324 is our subtrahend. Minus or subtract from the right. So it's 6 minus 4 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So, therefore, the shop has 1,132 cards left. Now, remember, when we do subtraction, it means we take away a number from another number to find the difference. And in this case, the difference is 1,132. Remember, subtraction is to take away. Okay, now let's move on to another way to find the difference. Look at these two abacus. Number 2 is compare the two numbers to find the difference between them. Again, compare the two numbers to find the difference between them. So, as you can see, the blue beads represent the number 7,365, and the colored beads represent the number 3,245. Now, how much greater means big, is the number represented by the blue than the number represented by the colored beads? Now, it can be answered through subtraction. Now look, we have here 7,365 minus 3,245. 7,365 is our minuend. It's the first number. It's at the top. And 3,245 is our subtrahend. Now, if you compare the two, you would get 4,120, and it's our difference. Remember, when we do subtraction, we compare the two numbers to find the difference by subtracting the digits in each place. Still, our number sentence will be 7,365 minus 3,245. Okay, let's go on to subtracting numbers with the minuend of 100,000 or less. 100,000 or less. So this is a lot quicker than the other one. And still we do no regrouping. Okay. Looking at this cartoon, a problem is Jim has 62,435 chickens. He sells 31,234 chickens. How many chickens does he have left? Now remember, you have to look at clues. Okay, clues. So you will know what operation to use. Is it addition or subtraction? Look here. There is a word left. Left. So basically, when you see left, that means you will use subtraction. Now let's try to see. There are two ways also to find for the difference. Difference of minuend of 100,000 or less. First, you can use the expanded form. Expanded form. And second, you can also use the column subtraction. Now let's find the difference using the expanded form first. Okay? Expanded form. So our number sentence is 62,435 chickens minus 31,234 equals unknown. So we write here 62,435 and 34. Using the expanded form, 62,435 becomes 60,000 plus 2. 2,000 plus 4. 400s plus 3. 30 plus 5. Now 31,234 becomes 3. 30,000 plus 1. 1,000 plus 2. 200 plus 3. 30. 4 plus 4. And then let's subtract them. 60,000 minus 30,000 equals 30,000. 2,000 minus 1,000 is 1,000. 400 minus 200 is 200. 30 minus 30 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now, put them together. The answer is 31,201. That is using again expanded form. Okay, now let's go to finding the difference using column subtraction. Column subtraction. Number sentence is still 62,435 minus 31,234. And let's make a column. Column, first column we have 6, 2, 4, 3, 5. And then second row, you have 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then subtract and minus. Subtract from the rightmost place. For column subtraction, you subtract from the right. So it's 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. So we still get the same answer. It's 31,201. So to answer the question, how many chickens does he have left? The answer is he has 31,201 chickens left. Okay, so that ends our lesson for this video. Thank you all for watching and for listening to teacher. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye everyone, and keep safe always. Bye-bye.